Hi, sisters. I know what you're thinking. Kari, you look terrible. What is this baby doing to you? No, I'm just not wearing any makeup. Because in today's video, I'm going to explain makeup to my 10-month-old son. Spoiler alert, this is not gonna be very good. I'm not good at makeup. But Ezra, my son, for some reason has always really enjoyed being in the bathroom with me while I'm getting ready. He just sits very calmly and watches me while I explain things to him. So he's received an extensive education on bathroom products. So I thought I would make this video for him to have. Are we ready, Ezra? Let's get glam. Okay, step one, foundation. Even though it's called foundation, there's about 70 other things you need to put on your skin before you can put the foundation on your skin. First, you need this stuff called primer. Oh God, yes, beauty blogger moment. I'm using the primer. Very important. Hashtag this video is not sponsored. So now your skin is primed. Does it look primed? Do I look any different? No. For foundation, I saw, because I binge watch beauty blogger videos, I never look the way that they look, but I pick up little tips every now and then, and one tip that I picked up was to mix highlighter into your foundation so that it's shinier. You have to hide the fact that you have skin. I'm 30 and my skin sucks. You would think there would be a product for people that are over 17 and don't have flawless skin, but there isn't. Foundation is made for people who don't need foundation. Most foundation just gets stuck in all my wrinkles and my old people parts, and it makes me look older. So I use tinted moisturizer. It's better than nothing. Also, this is a beauty blender. Beauty blender is Latin for expensive hot pink sponge. Now they make other like types of beauty blenders. Like they make cheaper ones, and I just keep buying the expensive one because I'm brainwashed by marketing. I am a marketer's dream. I buy everything. I probably shouldn't say that and then post this on YouTube because then I'm gonna get even more ads. Also, don't forget the neck. As you get older, you will learn that your neck skin sucks too. Next step is contouring, or as I like to call it, shape-shifting 101, where you basically rearrange the bones in your face to look like a beautiful person. And beautiful people do not have foreheads. Boom! I don't even recognize myself anymore. Also, beautiful people have jawlines. The goal here is to look emaciated. And then sometimes you just put it everywhere because I don't really understand how blending works. I do think this is the right brush because I saw it in a YouTube video and I said, that's the same brush I'm using. Validation. Next up, highlighter. Because some parts of your skin are more important than others. I totally stole that from Mitch Hedberg. Basically, you want to blind your enemies with the shininess of your face. So cover that shit up with powder, otherwise no one will love you. How's that look? Does that look good? Did you guys know about this trick? If you put red lipstick under your eyes before you put concealer on, it like neutralizes the colors. It seems totally ridiculous, but it seems to work better. Another tip that I picked up courtesy of watching 14,000 hours of beauty blogger tips. While we're putting on concealer, I'll tell you a little story. When I first started watching makeup tutorials on YouTube, I watched this video called, I don't know, top 10 makeup tips or something ridiculous. It had like a gajillion views, of course. And she's like, now, when you put on eyeshadow, you wanna make sure to put it here and not here. And I was like, oh shit, I've been putting it there. And then she's like, and then when you put on concealer, you wanna make sure you put it here and not here. And I was like, oh shit, I've been putting it there. And then she's like, and when you buy this product, you wanna use this brush and not this brush. And I was like, bitch, I'm the before girl in like the before after like makeup tutorial video. I'm still the before girl, let's face it. Even though you buy these fancy brushes, it's important to realize halfway through that like, fuck brushes, I don't have the patience for this shit, and then you just do this a bunch. It looks like I've slept. Next up, blush. We want to create the illusion of being shy and submissive. We must apologize for our presence. At all times, we must make sure our cheekbones apologize on our behalf. Otherwise, you will not get a husband, and that is the goal in life. And now, I look marryable. Mwah. Next up, eyeshadow. Now, it's very important for your eyes to look enormous. And big eyes are very hot right now. The thing I've learned from beauty bloggers is you take one brush to apply all this shit, and then you have a different brush, and this brush blends. Blending is a huge part of makeup because you need it to look natural, even though nobody's eyes naturally look like this. Because if people know you're wearing makeup, the jig is up and then you won't get your husband. I'm going in with basically whatever color I happen to think of next. I think there's a place for each of these colors, or there's like a system you're supposed to use. But I basically just kind of like pick one, throw it on. What's crucial about eyeshadow is you can't take it off. You can put more on. So if you accidentally put too much on, you gotta go with it. So you gotta put more on the other eye. And then you basically just hope that at some point they even out so you can stop this madness. You want it to look like you got punched symmetrically just above the eyelid. Perfect! Eyebrows, oof. Girl, okay. I may have red hair right now, but my hair is naturally blonde, and lots of people want blonde hair, but not blonde eyebrows. Your eyebrows have to be dark, or no one will love you. It's also very important, Ezra, that you pluck all of your eyebrow hairs out, and then you draw them back in. Obviously, super thick eyebrows are not in style, but also super thin eyebrows are not either. You have to make them a lot thicker than you did like 10 years ago. Just found that out. Thank God for the beautiful people on YouTube, or I would have never known. I would have walked around with my eyebrows being too thin, and then I probably wouldn't have gotten a husband. Next step, eyeliner. Because you need to draw circles around your eyes or no one will know where they are. This is where my eyes are. And technically I think this makes your eyes look smaller, and like we said, you want your eyes to be enormous. And that's it. That's about as much as we're gonna do with that. Last step of this is mascara, which is very confusedly named. It's not really masking anything other than the fact that you had tiny eyes before and now they're enormous. Look at that difference. Mascara is like the most important thing. Now, I used to get lash extensions for years, but since COVID, I have not found a lash person. So I used to be able to skip this step. These are trying times. That sounded kind of insensitive. But let's face it, we all miss getting a haircut. We all miss our beauty routines. There you go. Last step is a little lip gloss. Again, I'm blonde and really no colors except clear look good on me. Oh, and then I think the last step is you need to do like a lot of these kind of shots. Girl, I hope you learned a lot. I don't think anybody's gonna be inviting me to their YouTube beauty guru channels anytime soon, but thanks for watching this ridiculousness. Please subscribe to my channels. I put out new videos every Tuesday. Leave a comment below telling me what I'm doing wrong with my makeup and how I can have a more flawless makeup look, because this is not a look. I look normal. Okay, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay. How was that? Oh shit! Forgot to turn my ring light on. That's why I have it. Okay, try again.